Ford likes to find all kinds of ways to pump fake engine noises in the interior of their cars. On the Focus ST, they use a sound tube that connects to the engine and pumps the sound inside. Now, we all know the engines sound great with these cars, especially the aftermarket parts on them, and the sound tube is just ugly under the hood. So today we're going to lead it on this 2013 Focus ST. This is the ACCELATEC Sound Symposer Delete fitting your 2013 through 2018 Focus ST. Now, it's available in two different versions. We're going to be installing the standard version today, which includes the block-off plate, a plate for the firewall, and then a seal in the installation hardware. It's also available with a vacuum source. If you want to add a boost gauge or something like that, you can go with this version here. And if you're not using the vacuum immediately, it comes with a plug as well. For this installation, you need a 1/4-inch ratchet, 8mm socket, short extension, T20 Torx bit, and a clip removal tool. The sound tube is going to mount here, and then basically it snakes its way under your cold air kit, past the battery box, and then back here to the firewall. We're going to start by removing our engine cover. You don't have to do this. We're going to do it so you can see what we're doing. Then we're going to remove the bolts up front. You need to remove the plate up here at the battery box. This may be screwed in or it could just be clips, depends on your car. Up front here, separate this from the tube. This is the easiest way to get it out. Plug the harness and remove it. Now, the kit includes a delete for the firewall. So you can remove the cold air kit if you want to, but just put your hand back here and you can push that into place. All right, we're going to install the O-ring on our delete. You'll have to work it in just a little bit. Okay, it's ready to go on the car. And then once it's installed, we'll just tighten it up. Just get them snug. And your installation is finished. While it doesn't add any performance advantage at all, the Sound Symposer Delete really cleans up the engine bay of our Focus ST and gets rid of that fake sound pumped inside. The installation is very simple, 15-20 minutes, be back on the road in no time.